Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone and tools, enable developer options and USB debugging, and install ADB on your computer or a terminal app on the device. Once done, connect the phone via USB or ensure terminal access, and make a quick backup of current display settings so you can restore if needed. This avoids surprises. Make sure you note the existing resolution and DPI values. Those numbers are what you'll change and possibly revert to, so record them now before proceeding. Next, perform the actual change. Using ADB or terminal, run a DB shell WM size width hx height to set the screen resolution. Use the physical orientation values. Then adjust scaling with a DB shell WM density value to change logical DPI. Lower DPI increases screen space, higher DPI enlarges UI. Once applied, reboot or restart system UI to make changes stick, and verify the result in settings display or by rerunning it. Finally, finalize the change and know how to recover. If everything looks good, keep the settings. If not, revert immediately with a DB shell WM size reset and a DB shell WM density reset, or restore the numbers you recorded. If the UI becomes unusable, boot into safe mode or use a DB reboot to regain control, then restore. One key troubleshooting tip: if the screen is unresponsive after changes, connect via ADB and reset size/density. Avoid factory reset unless no other option remains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.